Hi, what's about you? I'm going to show you how to see your blog post and how to upload blog post. Okay. uh, First of all, you can visit your landing page, and you see the bottom the landing page. Here the latest blog. Okay. So I upload here the blog post in theory, huh? Yes, in here, and you can see the details in here by clicking here, and you can click the here, and this the processing, and here this is the your blog post blog details. Okay, and you see there's the next post, previous post, and it's the your blog post. Okay, and you can go through. I had today add the blog post on the header. Okay, you can, by clicking on a header blogs post, and then you can see your all block list. Okay, you can dresses, baby dresses, caring, seasonal pics. If yeah, yes, this is the post. Okay, it's the blog post. Okay, and now I want to show you how to upload your blog post. You can edit blog post. Okay, first of all, you should go on the on here, uh, pay blog post by blog post in a online store in online store in blog post. You click on here, and then you see there's the uh, page, and then you click here, add blog post. Okay, you see, please, and add here, and the wait. And this is the interface and the how to blog post. Okay, I can add a blog, huh? Okay, is the title blog title. Yes, I'm just copy paste, and then you should contain paste here, and I am also posted here. Okay, the same content I copy paste. Okay, you can paste here, and by this, if you have any image for this, and you can add the image from that downloads prepics, or any picture. No, I have no picture, but uh, wait, I download a picture. Okay, I downloaded a picture, and then you can upload a picture from here, and yes, yes, and then you visible. It is a hidden and visible, two option. You should click on visible. Okay, then it's okay. Then authority, who is like you can name your author name, like Jingjiang. I said your name, and then you should change this news, and you should click on blocks. Okay, you should click on blocks again, please. You should click on blocks, and then it will be if you do add an category like dresses, and you can add in like this, and you can add also this is the tag, and no more this. If you should more things, what okay, and there is okay, no problem. And and this is your how to, and then you can click on save button, and above save button, and save this. Okay, and yes, your post is created, blog post is created, and you can see now here. Okay, you can now see on here. Yes, this is the latest I uploaded today 6 January I upload the your blog post, latest blog post, and this is the author and comments, more details. You should click more details and see this, and see this. You can share and others. Okay, thank you very much.